paid to go up into the bell tower here in Bruges. I think it's like 300 stairs, but then I'll get to see like the whole city. Cool looking windows. Wow. Are y'all anticipating the top? From the bell towers. It's a cute city, right? Super duper cute. Hello.
Hello.
Am I here?
Upstairs.
Oh,
Yes, the rooms would be very small and very.
dang it, I thought I was there, even though I knew I wasn't. I just ate, so now I feel like I'm too full. Okay, the stairs are getting smaller. The view is getting better. I'm glad it's not hot. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's all tight. Oh my gosh. I might have to add music to this so y'all don't hear me breathing. Okay. There's more. Walls are creaking. Stairs, steps. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's getting tight up here. Okay. I feel like I'm claustrophobic, but maybe not. Okay, I'm at the top, y'all. Whew. I was like, please. Turn this around. Step out this small door. Dang, if you're fat, you don't want to be up here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look how tight. Ooh, wee. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm sliding like my back around. Ooh, it's scary. Here I am on the top. Gosh, you don't want to lose your phone up here.